and it's not the greatest day. It's day 3 and we made it to Coco Cay. Day 2 is nice. We enjoyed our day in Nassau. I was able to do the zip line on the Royal Caribbean. It was good. It's early today. It's 8:30 in the morning. We're gonna check out the beach first, hang out. The water slides we're gonna be going on. On your right, you will see Harbor Beach. This is a small private getaway, and it's a more calm and serene experience since the ocean is not wavy. And when you move to your left, you can spot a great photo opportunity. Royal Caribbean cruises that park at the port. In this case, it was Allure of the Seas and Odyssey of the Seas. We have made it to Chill Island. Kind of breezy this morning, but typical Bahamas morning is a little chillier than normal, but it is about 9 o'clock. I got my Grogu pants on. You know it's on when I go to the water park. At least it's not humid right now. They don't serve any food until 10:30. We're gonna figure something out here soon about the food situation, and then we're gonna go to Thrill Water Park. I know it's early, but I had to do it. I had to get a tequila sunrise. You only live once, right? All right, so here's a cool feature. I can record myself with the Insta 360 cam while I'm filming with my Sony FX30. So now I can see what I'm doing while also capturing every moment that I can with this camera. And it's not the greatest day, as you can see. Very cloudy, very windy, and it's probably 75 degrees or less right now, and the wind chill is pretty high. People are on the beach though, nonetheless. As you can see, we're on perfect day on Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's private island. My wife is gonna attempt to get into the water. I only wish her the best, because it is kind of chilly in there. It looks like all the sun is on the Odyssey of the Seas. It looks pretty cool. That ship looks really big too. I wish we had more sun. And we're trying to go to the water park, but with this wind, it's gonna be kind of chilly out there. Let me put my feet in the water and see what happens. I mean, it's not that bad. Oh yeah, it's cold. This ocean, it is December, but we were kind of hoping that we would be able to experience the water in a more warmer tone. It is what it is, I guess. So Chill Beach has earned its name. It is chilly out here in Coco Cay. We're gonna start walking back to the water park, and right before the rain hits us, that way we can at least say we rode some of the slides. We got a real cheap Black Friday special, so I don't think we'll be wasting our money too much, but we'll see how it goes. Oh look, they can zip line right across the ocean here. There's the cruise ship. When you first get to the port at Perfect Day at Coco Cay, you will find 3 separate paths. One on the left is green, the one in the middle is red, and the one on the right is blue. Be sure to follow on the green path if you want to head towards the beaches. Perfect Day at Coco Cay features 13 different water slides in total, located primarily within the Thrill Park water park. Here's a breakdown. The first major slide that you'll encounter is Daredevil's Peak. The next one is Manta Racers, competitive mat racer slide. As you can see, the rain started coming down hard. Luckily, we had a little bit of cover before actually making it to the top of the slide. The slide in question was the Twister. We waited for several minutes, 30 minutes in fact, and the rafts were not coming up the escalator. So we finally was able to make it down on the slide. was worth it.
Even though it wasn't the perfect day, we still had such a good time, and we definitely weren't expecting the rain to come down that hard while we were about to ride the slides, but that final slide definitely made it worth it, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. So in the end, it wasn't the perfect day, but it was our perfect day.